Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you how many requests can you make on ChatGPT. So you have to just log in more and more. Uh, it means that when you are finished with your request, then you have to just log out and again log in. Or second way, if you have another account on ChatGPT, you can also sign in or log in to another account and you can uh, make request on ChatGPT again. On the third way, go for three dot option and you have to just clear your history and you can fix this problem. So in this three way, you can make request more on ChatGPT. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.